is here to show you a science experiment named as Tyndall Effect.
First, we have taken the water in 3 beakers.
And we'll make 3 different mixtures: solution, colloid and suspension. To make the solution, we'll add ammonium chloride in water and mix it well.
For making a colloid, we will add milk in water. For making suspension, we will add chalk powder in water.
Now we'll take the solution and put laser light across it. Now, as we can see, the light is passing in single line. It is not scattering.
Now we will take colloids and pass the laser light across it. As you can see, the light is scattering.
Now we will take the suspension and pass the laser light across it. As you can see, the light is scattering in suspension.
Now we got the conclusion. As we know that the light scatters in two, and this means that it shows the Tyndall effect, and the two mixtures are the colloid and the suspension, which shows the Tyndall effect. Thank you.
Thank you.